In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case your Beats Studio Buds or Studio Buds Plus are not charging anymore. And many times when this happens, you have this red LED here flashing red when you try to charge them. So what do you need to do if this is your case? So this could happen for many different reasons, and the first thing you need to try is to charge them using another cable, not the one that they came with, but try finding another USB Type-C cable and another charger as well. Many times this is the issue and it's not really your Studio Buds that are having a problem. If this didn't work, and even if you tried many charger, many cables, you're still having the same issue, another thing you can do is to actually factory reset them. And to do so, you just have to do the following. What you need to do first is to put them in the case. The buds needs to be inserted there, and then all you have to do is to find this button right between them and press this button during 15 seconds. Be patient. Right now I'm pressing it, as you can see, and you just have to wait while watching this small light over here. After 15 seconds, you'll see this light will switch to red. Here we go. You see, it switched to red. You can then release that button. It will then flash twice red, as you saw, and it will simply go by blinking white. This means that they have been fully resetted and they're ready to get paired with a new device. If this didn't work, another issue, sometimes it happens because there is some debris or dust covering those small metal contacts, and they cannot touch the ones that are on the earbuds themselves. After a few weeks, sometimes months, if you put this case in your pocket or any pocket, you're gonna have lint and dust there. So just take a cotton swab. If you have some alcohol, you can do this with alcohol, but you can do it without it, and simply clean these 4 contacts, okay? And make sure that even on your earbuds, it's clean and there's no earwax, no dust or any debris. Okay, what if you're still having the issue and nothing was able to fix them? Well, by searching online, I found a post on Reddit, somebody who actually fixed his problem, and I'll put it on the screen right now and try to do it with you. So what this person did is to simply put both headphones in the case, put the case on a charger. So go ahead, connect it to a charger, put this in your outlet. Watch the case until it stops blinking. So if you had this light over here blinking, just wait until it stops. Then open the case and press the button right in the middle a few times. 3 or 4 clicks like this. And then take the charger out and put it right back in. And the red light should stay solid red, and that means it's now charging properly. You see, if this red light is staying red, you don't have to do anything, you just have to wait until they're fully charged. If you have another solution that I didn't talk about, please write a comment down below. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful to know how to fix their issue. If not, simply like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.